Hello everybody and welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas VF-4. It comes with 7,500 RPM spindle, a side mount 24+1 automatic tool changer, a chip auger, programmable coolant, telescopic ways, 4th axis ready, rigid tapping. I'll list more specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you guys have it, our Haas VF-4. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.